Hello all, and welcome to KMT. In this video, we will show you some cool secret features of the PlayStation 4 Controller light bar that most people haven't noticed or still don't know. We hope you learned something cool, and if you do, please be sure to hit the like button. Secret tip number 1. Most people know that when your PS4 controller is powered on, the light bar is blue. But did you know there are more colors? If you have more than one user on your PlayStation 4 and they're signed in to their profile, you have blue for player 1, red for player 2, green for player 3, and pink for player 4. And the really cool thing about these colors is that they coordinate with the colors of the buttons on the PS4 controller itself. X is for player 1, circle is for player 2, triangle for player 3, and square for player 4. If you forget what player you are, simply look down at your controller to figure it out. Secret tip number 2. Most people don't know that your PS4 controller light bar will tell you when your PS4 controller is fully charged. Ensure you have power to USB in rest mode enabled. Now, put your PS4 in rest mode and plug in your PS4 controller. You will notice the light bar flashes orange as your PS4 controller charges, and once the controller is fully charged, the light bar turns off. Let us know if this video helped you out in the comment section below. And if you appreciated this video, please, we'd be grateful if you hit the like button. And if you haven't already, please be sure to subscribe to the channel.